We're assembling today the Samsung G9 5SC monitor.
Take all that stuff out of the box. All right, step 2 is to put these together as I suspected.
Lay the base flat and then take the stand and slide the wider part with the silver side out onto the base. You can do this upside down, which would make it easier to screw in the screw. Make sure the base is seated all the way in and finger tighten the screws. Make sure the monitor is face down in the foam. This will allow applying the base a lot easier. Is it in? The base clips right into the stand. No screwing in necessary. Your monitor is ready to stand. For safety's sake, we flipped over the box to help prop up the monitor slowly. This version of the monitor comes with a remote control, as well as a DP cable and an HDMI cable, and the power cable. Here's the monitor all powered up in its final resting place. Stay curious and stay connected. See you next time.